Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for Tuesday. Yesterday I started to read for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer, and today I will read for Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio. This reading here now is for Virgo. Welcome, Virgo. The reading starts with the magic of the unicorns deck. Out for you came the card Open Your Heart. It says to love yourself and to dare to be vulnerable. There are 33 chambers in your heart chakra, and all are containing lessons of love. Your heart is open to the extent that you have mastered such loves. A warm and a loving heart is unfolding and is enfolding other people so that they feel safe and loved, and in return they love you. As your heart opens and you feel free to share your feelings, you also allow yourself to be vulnerable so people immediately can trust you and they feel close to you. The card reminds you to be generous and giving of yourself. Your guidance is to breathe into your heart and to ask your unicorn to illuminate this center with its horn of diamond light. And when it pours pure love into all of the chambers of this chakra and so lights them up, this dissolves any old hurts or blocks you may still have. Most important of all, appreciate yourself and be kind to yourself. Feel your heart becoming warm and open up. The unicorn is reminding you that when you love and value yourself, any lower emotions, they dissolve in the glow of your inner worth. And then you become caring and compassionate towards humans and animals. You radiate unconditional love and acceptance towards all sentient beings, and they respond with kindness. You see the loving essence of others, and your path becomes happier. So open your heart in the greatest possible way to light up your journey, for an open heart attracts help, kindness, true friendships, and all the support that you need from the human, animal, and angelic worlds. Say this affirmation: my unicorn lights up my heart. The Work Your Light Oracle card that came, no, the Oracle of the Fairies, excuse me, the Oracle of the Fairies comes next, and it is Solitude. Think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet times. Sometimes when we think of being alone, it can bring some fear of feeling lonely or melancholy, as we often associate being alone with such feelings. Here is the good news. It really is okay to be alone being comfortable in your own skin and in your own beautiful company. How free does this make you feel to notice? Tuning into the deep places within oneself where our inner treasures reside can be a profound and a very enlightening experience. The spiritual essence of this experience is peace, peace within and also without. Experiencing true peace is also something that can only happen when we spend precious time in solitude, in contemplation or meditation, even if it is for only a few minutes each day. When we are out of balance, then being alone can make us feel lonely and sorry for ourselves, and we might still feel like this even when we are in some company. Counterbalance this by observing your blessings, and it will not be long before you are in a state of gratitude for your own divine company. If this card has popped up for you in the reading today, the fairies, they are urging you to take some time out and spend some time alone. It is in such moments of being alone that the messages of the fairies can come through more clearly. The increased spiritual space enables you to be more receptive and more aware of any subtle messages and signs from the fairy realms. Alternatively, the card might be saying that you are spending too much time alone, and so consider to share some time with others. Now comes the Work Your Light Oracle card, and believe it or not, it only has the word yes. And that word yes is on 2 pages, and I counted them 250 times, 250 times the word yes. So just say yes. Do not overthink it and just say yes. The Nature's Whispers card is next, and that one is Amplify Your Positive Emotions. It starts to say that there is a ripple effect of energy flowing from you, so be positive and simply stay happy and send that happiness out from your heart, which then will benefit those around you. And as you adjust your motives and your attitudes, this energy will flow from you in concentric circles, and so affecting all of your desires and your beliefs. There is a chance to bring good fortune and influences to all of the events in your life, as the circles also represent circles, to know that you are continually going in and out of cycles, growing and changing. With every ending comes a new beginning, so trust that the positive energy which you radiate will attract what you are wishing for. The Golden Future Oracle card that came out for you is Animals, saying to honor the animal kingdom. Originally, humans and animals were invited to share this planet with the intention that we would live in mutual harmony and mutual respect. This will happen in the golden future when we truly understand, love, and honor all life forms. The ascension of the planet then will accelerate. People have been predominantly left-brained and so mind-oriented, while the animals experience life with their right brains and so with their hearts. Many species, they have already ascended into the fifth dimension, and we are blessed that these open-hearted creatures will forgive us for the way we have treated them and also treated this planet. In the Golden Age, humans will not eat meat anymore. There will be no livestock farms, and creatures who need to eat flesh will gradually withdraw from this planet or will develop different jaws and guts so they can become vegetarians. Certain animals and some endangered groups that were designed for a third dimensional vibration have already completed their learning here and will return to their home planets. New beasts, they will evolve that are designed for a higher vibration in the future. In the golden future, everyone will respect animals and communicate and cooperate with them. The guidance is that this card calls on you to understand all animals and see their inner light and honor and respect them. This will accelerate their ascension as well as yours and that of the entire planet. It is time to communicate with different species, for they are ready and they are willing to share their hopes and their wisdom with you. And the last card is the Goddess card, and it is beautiful Gaia. And Gaia, of course, is the goddess Earth. Being grounded, slowing down, and remaining present in your body is the message that the Greek goddess Gaia has for you right now. Perhaps you have spent too much time in your head lately and you have not taken as good care of yourself as you would have liked. Get into a rhythm and make sure that you get enough sleep. Commit to spending more time in nature and eat sustainably with conscious awareness. Gaia, the earth, the mother of all life, invites you to pay attention to your body, for you are a creature of this earth as well as spirit. You are a part of this living earth, which is the foundation for all of life that has a physical form. What form does your life take? This is the perfect time to take a closer look to ensure that you are happy with it. You are also asked to examine the foundation of what you are building right now. Does it feel solid? Does it feel stable? Now is the perfect time to focus on stability and security, so ensuring you move forward in a grounded way. The goddess Gaia reminds you that the earth is the playground for conscious manifestation, so be respectful of this truth. There is an alignment message here. When you scatter your energy and when you allow fear to take root, then you can become ungrounded or out of touch with your environment. You become disconnected from your true nature as a spiritual being having a human experience. The need now is to look at the cracks in the foundation of the life that you have built. When even one aspect of your life is out of alignment, then this will affect everything else. So ground yourself with Gaia, the Earth Mother, because she wants you to enjoy creating the world that you live in. Your alignment task is to take a fearless inventory of where, of how, and with whom you live your life. Is your energy draining from the choices that you are making? Are you physically exhausted? Do you accept less than is your value? Your efforts must now be to repair the foundation of your life and then begin anew. You will be so thrilled with the results and you will wonder why you did not do it any sooner. The goddess Gaia is fully supporting your every move. That was the reading for you, Virgo. Thank you very much for listening. I wish you a beautiful day today. I wish you a beautiful whole of this week. I'm sending lots of love out to you. Take care and goodbye.